Polycist exchanges closed $32 in an unobtrusive way. Poly's down around 17% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Poly's cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in a quite enormous manner. The exceptionally current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO explicitly is at $305,944 in an extremely enormous manner. 05 April 2024. In this video, we will in every practical sense walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer Star Atlas for the most part is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the conversion of cutting-edge blockchain, ongoing illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and kind of decentralized monetary advances, which sort of is very critical. Continuous designs innovation utilizing stunning Moto 5's nanite considers true-to-life quality computer game visuals in a truly significant manner. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out a generally serverless and got an ongoing interaction experience, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that duplicates the substantial quality of genuine world resources and proprietorship in a very significant manner. He's much of the time commonly clarified some things facts. What in every way that really matters is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, basically is. Poly's a very wise speculation, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so forth, which especially is genuinely huge. However, prior to jumping essentially profound into the Poly's specialized investigation, in every way that really matters, let us especially discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they fundamentally thought. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital money market to 32,492, 603, 616, 514, or so they especially thought. The genuinely complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $105, 179, 779.26 in a for the most part significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52.82% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which by and large shows that market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to 2,492, 603, 616, 514, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66 to $895 world level after a decay of 59%, showing how Poly's down roughly 17% inside the very most recent 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value diminishing of 318% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours in a truly significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time span, which truly is genuinely critical. Sol, the truly local coin of Solana by and large, is somewhere near $857, and as of now exchanging at $172.88, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time period in an especially enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 0.60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 77% in esteem, which essentially shows that the truly all-out exchanging volume really remains at $105, 179, 779.26 in an extremely significant manner. These occasions certainly show that the market by and large is going in a descending heading for transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a genuinely broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that Polycist exchanges closed $32 in an essentially significant manner. Star Atlas DAO execution, the kind of current Star Atlas DAO cost generally is $32, with an exchanging volume of $305.944 as in the beyond 24 hours, or so they really thought. At present, Poly's in a real sense is somewhere near 17% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $69.7256 USD, or so they basically thought. The most effective method to take part, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking, to offer during the EO, especially ensure you especially read the standards underneath and sort of do the accompanying ahead of time. Register most certainly your FTX account and in a real sense submit by and large submit. Kick level 2 in an unpretentious manner. Because of an enormous inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that reasonably your kick will really be by and large endorsed before the EO, showing how he's regularly in every practical sense clarified some things facts. What generally is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, in a real sense is Poli's a very wise venture, which basically is very critical. Kindly in every way that really matters, be encouraged to generally submit kick when kind of conceivable and certainly supported to especially be somewhat qualified for the EO, which sort of is very huge. Note that you should have at kind of the most un-150 FTT marked on FTX to basically take part in the EO, and that you truly get commonly more tickets assuming that you stake more. Truly further appearance how presently Poli's is somewhere near 17% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $69 to $7,256 as USD in an unobtrusive manner. Set a caution ahead of time. The EO explicitly starts at 2021's 8:26, 10:30 as of AM, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.82% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly shows that market examination over the sort of last 24 hours. There basically was a destruction of 184%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to total 492, 603, 616, 514. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Plan assets to offer no less than 400 USD and at most 500 USD and 5 FTT per ticket stake FTT to explicitly secure in every practical sense your ticket designation 24 hours before the EOE in every way that really matters. Live Star Atlas DAO cost today, especially as Delethane 3 the 75.299 est with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $538,251 USD, which sort of shows that yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Poli's specialized examination, in every practical sense. Let us truly discuss the truly current economic situations, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. We truly update our Poli's to us cost progressively, for the most part further. Appearance how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66 and $895.12 level after a decay of 59%, showing how Poli's down roughly 17% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO generally is down 393% as of now, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. The kind of current coin market cap truly positioning sort of is #481, with a live market cap of nearly 92,869,996 USD, showing how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Poli's specialized investigation. Basically, let us really discuss the ongoing economic situations, which generally is genuinely huge.